Welcome to the kitchen where we make everything but pasta. Today I'm going to show you how to make a quinoa salad filled with apricots and cranberries and really delicious and tasty. So for this recipe, we're going to need 1 cup of quinoa, about 15 to 16 of the dried apricots that I've chopped here, coarsely chopped. You can see that. Half a cup of cranberries that's also coarsely chopped, as you can see. 2 cucumbers. I like the Lebanese cucumbers because they don't have any seeds in them. You can alternatively use an English cucumber as well. You need 3 to 4 tablespoons of lime juice. So I have 2 limes here. About a half teaspoon of crushed cumin. About a half teaspoon of salt, but adjust it to your taste. About a tablespoon of sugar. Also, you can adjust it to taste. And about a tablespoon and a half of olive oil. The best part of this recipe is the coriander. I love coriander. So today I'm using fresh coriander that I've grown in my garden for the summer. In the winter, of course, since you cannot grow your own, you can buy it from the grocery store and try to get as fresh as possible. It is what makes the salad. So with these ingredients, let's get started, and here we go.
Let's start by boiling the quinoa. Add the 1 cup of quinoa to 2 cups of water in a pot and cook it on a medium heat. After about 10 minutes, you'll notice that most of the water has evaporated. At this point, you want to cover the pot and turn the heat on low. Cook an additional 10 to 12 minutes until all the water has evaporated and the quinoa has begun to split. Then put it aside in a bowl to cool down. Next, let's start with the cucumbers. Chop the cucumbers in very small pieces and put it in a bowl. Chop the coriander and also put it in the bowl. Now I'm going to prepare the dressing. For the dressing, we need the zest of a lime and then the juice of the lime. Add the olive oil, cumin, salt, and sugar. Mix well and set aside. Now that the quinoa is cooled, let's try to assemble the salad. To the vegetables, add the chopped apricots, the cranberries, and the quinoa. Pour the dressing over the salad and mix well. Now your salad is ready.
And there you have it, our delicious cranberry, apricot, and quinoa salad, which is delicious and full of nutrition. If you enjoyed our video, please hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes. Thanks for watching. Bye.